Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So today I will told you about the importance of traveling. Everyone know that traveling is a very important thing for everyone's life because when we do traveling that time we feel fresh. If anyone live in a same place that time his mind is disturbed because of living in a same place. So that's why people do traveling, and because of traveling we collect a lot of information, and we meet to the strange pupils, and we understand their mentality, that how can the others think about everyone. And we also learn many things because of traveling. Just like if we go in south area, that time we don't learn a lot of, but we learn something their language, and we know about their tradition. And if anyone come from south to north, just like in our area, then they understand our tradition and also our language. In our India, there's a various type of languages which people use to speak, because in our area languages depend on their area. People speak according to his area. And now here we speak local Hindi, and in south they also speak Tamil and Malayalam, many various languages. And if you go at the upper side, just like Kashmir, that in that area they also use Hindi, but they speak a different language, which is his local language. And if anyone do traveling, then there's a lot of facility where they do traveling, because many people like to do traveling by their own vehicle, and many like to do traveling by train, bus, and also aeroplane. But if I prefer, then I like to do traveling by train and also own vehicle, because I like train traveling very much. If I do traveling from to any far area, that time my family and I am also prefer train traveling, because in train traveling we are if we take sleeper seat, that time we never face any type of problem, because this is the facility is available in nowadays. If you order any food in train, then you reach it at a next station. So this is the facility of train traveling. Means if anyone is do travel alone, and he want to need food, then he order it by his mobile phone, but it is not available in bus. If we do traveling in bus, that time it is not available. And in aeroplane, everyone know that the food of aeroplane is so expensive. So everyone means normal people do traveling in aeroplane, but they can't afford the food of aeroplane. It is so costly. So if you do traveling by train, that time you get a lot of benefit, just like your train is stop in many stations, and there's a lot of stations where the train stop for a long time, just like 1 hour to 2 hour. Then if you want to do anything, then you do on that station. And also now I will told you about my traveling when I don't remember that when I do first traveling, but which thing I remember, so I will told you. My traveling is started from Bhogao in Sadulpur. So I will go. I want to go there because of my father want to do their worship to their God who is situated there. That's why. So first I will go to Bhogao and from there I will sit in the train and after that me and my whole family we all reach to Delhi because I do Bhogao to Delhi. It's a night traveling, so that's why I will sleep. So I can't watch anything at night. But when I reach Delhi, then my whole family is meet to me. We all go there. We all go there with each other because of my all family members live in Delhi. So we will meet to Delhi station, and after that my main traveling is start, and it is start at least 8 o'clock because my train is also 8 o'clock. So my all family members who are elder, they sit in other areas. They start talking about his business and also about his old time. And me and my cousins, we all sit in other area and we start to play there and play their various games and also start to watching outside what which thing is passing from there. When I will reach there, at that time, the temple is far than the station. When I reach at Sadulpur, that time it is time to at 4 a.m. So at that time we book a vehicle. It's a car or not. I don't know what is this because it's because that is structure is strange. It's a very strange structure. So we will sit there and the language of that person, it's when I heard it at first time because they that person is speaker his local language and I can't understand what they speak. But my sister-in-law, she is a know about many languages, so she understand that what that person speak, and she told me that what that person said about that the temple is far from here. So you will sit in that vehicle properly because the road is not so good. The way is so bad. So that's why you will sit properly and also sit tightly. So we will sit there and after that when we reach at that temple, that time I think that I never sit in this type of a vehicle because in that vehicle I face me and also my whole family face a lot of problem because it is big but not just like that. If my whole family is sit on there, when my father said to that driver that I will book a second vehicle, or then the driver said that no, you all sit in one vehicle. Then we said that if when my brother said and after that his lap me also said and my in my sister's lap my younger sister is sat, so that's why we face in that a lot of problem. But yeah, I enjoy there a lot of because of I understand there's some languages what they speak, and when I watch their tradition because there's women's wear his clothes, and they covered his face with they covered his face very long. So if you go there, then you never saw his face. Then how she look? Because she covered his face a lot of. So I will when we stay in a hotel. That time my aunt said that here near to it a lot of cows they live, and if you want to go there, then you will come with me, because of there, if you go there, then that person gave you a lot of milk. If you want to make anything, if you use that milk, then you use it. They don't take any type of money. They give to everyone free. So but if you go there, then you will do their work, because they said that if you serve there, then I will give you the milk. Then when I will go there, that time I will enjoy there a lot of, because that person teach me that how to cook the chapati on cooking hut. So that's all.